see that.
But I've been here for hours.
Yeah, it happens.
I've been here for hours.
Yeah, bad weather. Gotta do something, right?
I don't know what we're gonna blame it on, but
Oh, watch out. Yeah, unfortunately, it's their policy. You just can't be that intoxicated when you're flying a plane, okay?
I'm not that intoxicated.
We need you to go to the terminal. See?
Suck my suck my oh, I can suck my
Okay, Chelsea. Just go to the terminal.
yo, I'm gonna women.
Okay. I'll help see her out. You guys are good. Oh man, that thing kind of goes fast. I think I'm faster, but I'm gonna have a bike pursuing a suitcase in a minute. It's gonna be crazy. I know. Totally normal, right? Chelsea, you gotta get off, or the doors are gonna close. Negative, thank you. Chelsea, can you do me a favor? Can you roll with me to the main terminal? You can't hang out here. It's a secured area. I will just leave you alone. Yeah, follow me. Follow me, Chelsea. We'll roll out together. Chelsea, I'll race you. Chelsea, let's just roll our little wheels to the other side of TSA, okay? Because this is a secured area. I gotta have you on the other side of TSA, and then I promise you I will leave you alone. I'm a representative of the Orlando Police Department, and I have been nothing but polite and professional with you. Chelsea, look at me. Chelsea, look at me. Chelsea, look at me. Thank you. Chelsea, if this continues, you will be arrested for disorderly conduct.
Chelsea,
Did you spit at me? She's done. She's done. She just spit at me. Chelsea, you are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back now. Chelsea, you're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back now. Do not resist. Do not resist. Stop spitting. Do not spit.
I only spit it one time.
Do not.
I only spit one time.
Is she hitting her head? Nope. Nope. Stop. Chelsea, stop. Chelsea, you need to stop this nonsense. You need to improve your behavior. Chelsea, stop this. Chelsea, stand up. Chelsea, stand up. All right, reverse. Chelsea, we're gonna go in the car nice and easy, all right? All right, slide in. Watch your feet.